I have a quote that David still ras every moment is a gift. So importante gid ang matag moment nato, time, we having our family, so the work that you have, meaning to say we need to be grateful of what we have. So every moment is a gift. So we need to put the effort into the things that really matters. So importante gyud ibutang nato, dapat gamiton nato sa saktong butang atong ginabuhat. Like mata sa sayo sa buntag, yun things na importante na kailangan nato buhatan even for our future. And this is the moment na we value the gift of life. We do not want to make it na ano to, sayangan nato, but we use it for His glory. Dili na to siya sayangan because life is too short. So every moment is a gift. Remember that. God bless everyone.